Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to disable Google Play Protect on your device. Firstly, open Google Play Store app on your device, then tap on the menu button. In the top left corner, select Play Protect from the menu. In the settings icon or gear icon in the top right corner of the Play Protect screen, toggle off the Scan Devices for Security Threats option. And also you have the ability to disable notifications related to Google Play Protect. Just go to Apps and tap Google Play Store, then tap on Notifications. Turn or toggle off notifications for Google Play Protect to stop receiving notifications from it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.